Target, and of course the clearance section. Are you trying to look too? Are you trying to look too? Yeah, what do you see? This stuff is seriously so cute for like dorms or apartments or just storage. We love these, don't we? Say yep. I love these in this polka dot pattern. So cute. Really love these just for like some decor and organization too. The gray is also pretty for more of like a simple color scheme. Also love all of this like kids bathroom stuff. When Baylee has her own bathroom, I'm definitely gonna get some of this. This is so cute. Look how cute, Bay. I love this stuff. It's so cute. And these towels are so cute. And I love these. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Oh, look, Baylee. Look how cute, Bay. Look. Oh my goodness. You love it? Mama have it. I seriously can't get over this little girl like room decorations. It's so pretty. I love all of this stuff. Oh my gosh. These colors are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff, Baylee. Ooh, look at these pillows. You see? Oh my gosh. Love this fabric right here. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Honestly, I want to get Baylee one of these, but I probably can't fit it in the car. All these notebooks are so cute. I love these. I think I'm gonna get this one. And this one. I love this polka dot one. Also need a couple of folders. I really like these two. So a lot of this stuff is actually on clearance and it's super cute. I love this little notebook and then the matching tape dispenser and stapler. They also have the scissors. Oh my gosh, and a pencil pouch. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get this one. So this is a mouse pad. That is so cool. I love this. Actually, probably gonna get a lot of this stuff for our desk. Wanna say something? Hey, what does the rooster say?
Doo-doo.
Baylee, look at Mom. Say backpack. Backpack. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Need some of these. Baylee loves these, you guys. These cups are seriously so cute for only 79 cents. Get a couple of those. These cups are so cool. I love those. They're so expensive though. I love these little plates. Those are so nice. And then I love these little bowls for like Baylee. Let's get some detergent. Stick it under there. Two of these. There we go. I get Baylee a toothbrush. And some toothpaste. Have fun in Target? Huh? Did you have fun? This stuff is so cute. I love these storage bins. I'm gonna get one of these for Baylee's toys. Baylee seriously passed out. These trash cans are also really cute. They literally have so much stuff. Like, this store is so huge. This stuff is so cute. We even have $5 shirts that are so cute. This is like all the ones that they have. They seriously have all kinds of board games and like workout stuff. They have all kinds of like party stuff, all kinds of candy. I literally got all kinds of t-shirts that I'm gonna cut and wear to class. Oh my gosh, they have so many like little minis. These are so cute. These are so cute. All kinds of like lip products here, and then over here we have all kinds of makeup. Literally like so much stuff. They even have like diffusers and oils. This pillow is so cute. And these blankets, oh my gosh, cute little piggy banks. Got Five Below. Now finally made it to Chick-fil-A. Yeah! So just to show you guys a couple things that Baylee has been loving. She's been loving these mini pancakes for breakfast. I just ripped them up for her and she loves those. So I got some more of those. I got us some more toothbrushes. Got Seth some body wash. Got Baylee some yogurt bites. Got me and Seth some loofahs. Baylee some mac and cheese. A couple of these rice packs. Baylee some crackers. Yeah, Seth spilled something here. And then these were buy 3 for $6. So I got her peach, apple banana, and apple strawberry. And then this one just came from Chick-fil-A today. And then I got 2 of these really pretty cups. They were only 79 cents each. Got Baylee some juice, got some puffs, got Baylee these little peanut butter sandwich cracker snacks, got some trash bags, Seth some cereal. Yeah, some of this stuff we've already opened and I've already put up. But got Baylee some of these diced peaches, got some candy at Five Below, got some of these cheddar cheese veggie straws for Baylee. Got some stuff at Five Below, which that'll probably be a separate video because I'm doing a DIY. Got some of this cereal. I got some bread, some water, 2 things of fabric softener, some laundry detergent. Also got Baylee some whole milk, some orange juice, some applesauce, and I just got some Mellow Yellow. Also got some stuff for school, which you guys probably seen in my Target video. But yeah, that was just kind of like a really quick haul before I finished putting all this stuff up. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?